how to create a call link on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp app, navigate to call section, click on the call button, the new call button. Now click on the first one, new call link. Like it says here, anyone with WhatsApp can use this link to join calls. Only share this link with people you trust. You can change the call type to video or voice. Now when you copy this link and send it to anybody, even outside WhatsApp, when the person click on the link, it automatically call you on WhatsApp. So that's how you create a call link on WhatsApp. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.